Dude, the second I literally pressed open on this game, it just dropped me in. Like, it was literally not even a main menu screen. So, I don't know what I'm doing. So, here we go. Oh, yo, what's up, man? X? Who the hell? Alright, so my boy's sleeping. Knock him out. Yo, hey, man. This letter doesn't work? Well, it's on. Yo, hey! Yo. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, buckle some more. Yo, what's up, man? I will question it. Bro's throwing up, alright. Yo, what's up, old man? Damn, you were very old. This is not it either. You there, young man. Have you seen the latest papers? I've been looking for it everywhere. Why? If you have happened to find it, please bring it to me. Alright, now I have an objective. Oh, damn it. No, I don't. I have no idea what I'm doing. Hey! Do you happen to have the link? Do you have anything else to say? 3, 4. Lock the door. What? 5, 6, get your fix. 7, 8, don't be late. Are you singing like the freaking Freddy Krueger song? 9, 10, you're not my friend. 1, 2, buckle my shoes. 3, 4, lock the door. 5, 6, get your fix. 7, 8, don't be late. Hey! 9, 10, you're not my friend. I hate you, bro. Alright, whatever. So, you don't got parents or something? Like, what's up, man? Alright, so do we got another lighter or something? You're still asleep, right? Oh, what? Is something you need? Oh, you want one of my newspapers? Well, for sure, brother. Brother! I don't give you one though, or I'll get cold. Which one do you want? This one. Here you go. Sleep tight, brother. Oh, sleep tight, brother. But, yo, does anyone else need this? Okay, Ashley, get to 10 so I don't have to restart. Or so I can. Alright, here you go. Speedrun. You look ugly. Alright. Yo! I found it, brother! The papers you're holding. It's exactly what I'm looking. Let's go! Thanks so much, young man. Here, take this. Yo, bro! Let's go! I'm literally speedrunning. This is why they call me Terry Fox. Actually, wait, what? Sorry, I didn't even need to say that. Alright, here you go. Hey, man. Hey, kid. I'm letting you know. Could you buy? Yeah, take it. That is the spot. You know, kid, you can be mine. This is gonna be my last. I'm gonna retire from the force too. After this last trainer out, I'll go over to my family. Here, look. A picture of my dog. Is she cute? Anyway, kid, Smokey's bad for you. No, duh! Here's a bit of it. What? The last who's sick between those two cars. She dropped something of hers earlier. I saw a child took it. Hey, you got someone? Sup? Want that lady dropped? Sure. Well, you have to answer a question for us. Are you the? I said forced, by the way. First. This is a riddle. Ready? Here it goes. Which way do you think the train's going? I don't know. So that's what you think? Ah, wrong. That was a. I'm gonna break my freaking monitor. We're not going east or west, huh? Oh, we're going north and south then? Since you answered my question here. Bet. Yeah, don't worry. I got you. Wrong way. Oh, wait, no, she's in here. Alright. You found my medicine. Yeah, take it. That's better. You're a lifesaver? I know. I can't believe it. Wait. Nope. This is all wrong. You shouldn't be here. Listen, you have to leave. Or what? Quick, follow me. Bet. Where'd she? Wait, where'd the kid go? Yo! Yo, where'd everyone go? Everyone died, bro. Am I dead? Did I just die? Yo, I died. Yo, everybody died. No, I'm dead! Oh. Alright, here we go. Why is it all dark? Yo, the lighting's gonna flash and we're gonna see a dead body. could I have gone this way before? I didn't check. Maybe I should stay outside. Oh, there was someone here. Oh, maybe that's the spider one. It won't open. So am I dead now? Jump scare. Hit me. Hit me with the jump scare. I want a jump scare. Oh, I see. I saw it. Yo, I see you. What happened to the lighter? Oh, there's a giant spider, bro! That's sick. Oh man. Quick, get it here. What? You said what? Oh, what's up? Yo, why'd you just leave me though? I was close. You almost became her food. Alright, or worse. Listen, thanks for helping me, but you need to get out of here. This can't take you home. All you need to do is spin around 7 times. You hear me? 7 times. Don't forget. What do you mean? Looks like this is my stop. No! No, please! Maybe meet again. Remember, 7 times. No, please! Get off with her, bro! Oh, man. She died. Star won't open. Alright, whatever. Is the spider gonna be here? Oh, okay. How do you spin around 7 times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yo, I did. Oh, I think because the first time I did it. Let's go! Yo, I'm free! Oh, maybe I should have went to the left or right first. Secret? Oh, let's go. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna play again. Because I'm pretty sure that... Okay, hold on. So... Okay. I know exactly what to do. Okay, go over here, kick the little girl over, and... Hello. Okay, so... Start this quest. Oh, oops. That's nice. Okay. Jesus. Alright. Hey, man. Yo. This one. Thanks. Sleep tight, brother! Alright, go. Pushes over cutely. Yo, I didn't want to talk to you. I'm literally not even near you. Alright. As I was next to her. Like this. Oh, oops. 4th or... Oh, rats. Oh, was that not the right one? Oops. My fault. Maybe if I light this guy on fire, that would be nice. Wait, where'd he go? Did he get off? Oh. He's dead now, huh? I wanna see what that guy says though. Maybe he goes back to sleep. I don't know. Oh, okay. Yo! What do you gotta say? Oh, okay. Yo, what's up, man? Ooh, I went the other way. Am I gonna get killed by the spider now? Man, the old man's dead now, no? Unless they got off. So like, if I go here, wait until the lights go off and then can I go like right? Yeah, okay. Oh, it's locked? Alright. Now let's just keep going, I guess. Is it locked? No, it's not. Wait, that was the little girl. Yeah, no, that's the girl. And then she turned into a spider and was to eat me. Yeah, alright. Oh no, maybe she gets eaten. Oh man. What happens if this girl says, quick, get in here, and I just stay? Oh. Oh, she brings me in anyways. Alright. No. Let's go. Alright, now we sit back. Oh, now you can hear footsteps. Let's go! To heaven we go! Wait, is that the message? Alright, that was sick. Anyways, I'm gonna end this video here if you guys enjoyed it. Yeah, and it was